Hello everyone, welcome to our hazard field trip. We will be observing a few hazards that are detrimental to inhabitants and economies. Right now we are located in sunny Pasadena, California. Luckily, there are no current hazards. Our first stop is across the globe in the Philippines. The Philippines is an island that lies along the Ring of Fire, indicated by the blue line. The Ring of Fire causes the country to have frequent seismic waves and volcanic activity, like the Smith volcano in the Calacan Islands. The Philippines is prepping for Typhoon Mangkhut. This is said to be the biggest typhoon with fears of downpours that can join with monsoonal storms. As the Philippines are located in a tropical region, inhabitants should take precaution and prepare for these natural disasters. There should be more awareness because these disasters may cause devastating effects. Next stop is China. We will be observing the hazards of earthquakes. In our legend, you can see by the size of the circles the magnitude of each earthquake. By the color, you can also see the depth of each earthquake. When we zoom in for a closer look, we can see the example of the Wenchun earthquake, which was a scale of 7.9 on the Richter scale. As you can see, this quake was close to the surface, which caused devastating effects. For example, this ancient Tian temple that was destroyed. The next stop, we will be observing another earthquake. For this stop, we go to the east coast of Japan. Again, we see the blue line, which indicates the Ring of Fire. In 2011, an earthquake of magnitude 9.1 took place undersea. This earthquake triggered powerful tsunami waves that reached heights up to 133 feet. This tsunami traveled inland, for example, Sendai, Japan, causing buildings to collapse, heavy damage to roads, and left many without electricity and 1.5 million people without water. The tsunami also caused nuclear accidents in the Fukushima power plant, with 3 nuclear reactors to explode. Earthquakes are common in Japan. It is important to prepare for future hazards for this kind by preparing survival kits and establishing shelters that provide safety for people. Again, education is also important for these hazards. Thank you for listening to our field trip.